Hi friends, we are coming from KS Rangaswamy College of Technology in the stream of Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering. We are done the project on Garden Robot. Our team ID is 192. The Garden Robot project is developed by Bharat Kumar, Hari Vignesh, Pooja, Jamna Devi, Navina. Our mentor is Mr. K. Kalayarasu. The components of Garden Robot projects is MSP 430, L293 driver circuit, humidity sensor, temperature sensor, soil moisture sensor. The non-TI components are sprayer, IR sensor, pump, battery, and DC motor.